chase the ladies all around. I used to spend my money and try and acted funny until I hit my nose on the